Hi, I'm Mark Kroll. I'm product manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm here to tell you about the outside kitchen on the Montana High Country 385BR bonus room. The great thing about this outside kitchen is its position. It's underneath our main awning and located right next to the main entry door. Fully equipped with all the essentials for an outside kitchen. You've got the outside refrigerator, perfect for food and beverages. We've got great countertop space, plus pull-out cooktop. Glass cover on the pull-out cooktop, so we can use this as countertop space when we're not cooking. And of course, 2 burners with an automatic igniter right here. On top of that, we've got great storage and an electrical outlet for any other kitchen devices that we want to plug in out here on the countertop. For more information, please check out KeystoneRV.com.